photos, utilize Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. And also make sure you use the hashtag ToyotaTalk. Toyota Talk. Pound in the sun with that mid-90s heater. The 01 on Simmons. And that's a fair ball. Got the plate. Tag him. And he comes in, stole the bat, turned around, and looked at Corey Blazer. And you don't have to throw it, don't throw it. So Nick Hundley went and tagged him out. Boy, that was a quick inning. Well done, Chad Betts. Well, we haven't gotten a break yet. Freddie Gonzalez discussing with Corey Blazer where it was. I don't think he's going to argue much more than that. The ball, I think, hit behind home plate. Doesn't matter where it hit. Where was it? You know, where did it end up? And it's hard to tell there, but it looks like it's in front of home plate. Oh, and it hit his foot too, coming out of the batter's spot. He would have been out right there.
Two different ways.
Yeah. So there's no argument. So there's a new rule that the one out carries over to next day.
Just today.
Just today.
Our Toys tent sale is so big, it won't fit in a tent. Our lowest price ever, $99 for an Alpine 250-watt sub amp, 84 in-dash receivers from $59, 95 pairs of speakers from $39, free backup camera with any in-dash DVD player.